What's up, peeps? Today we are going out on a hike, doing a little practice run for some camping, some hiking, some food prep, little shelter building. Teach the young ones early, that way they know it. We'll check in a bit. Beautiful day in January. Some snow on the ground. Out for a little hike. Do some skill building. Oh, you got it.
Let's go. That is satisfying. How would we know if it's done? Dad. Warm or no?
Buck's eating spaghetti MRE pack. Trying it for the first time.
Good.
Good? You like it?
It's okay.
Okay. Not as good as mine. But you could live on it if you had to. If you were starving, you could eat it. We got the classic Mountain House for me. We're doing a chili mac with beef. Letting that cook off a little bit longer. While Buck's over here with his spaghetti pouch. So we're just checking out some new MREs, making sure they're fit to eat. You always want to try your food before you actually have to eat it for real. So we're trying it out. First time with the chili mac. I think this is probably going to be a good one.